So do you know where we're going?
No.
We are going, this is our first trips, ladies and gentlemen, to the Goodwill bins.
Oh, I can't wait.
Yeah, no, it's, okay. So you do know where you're going.
Well, you've described the bins. I haven't actually seen the bins, nor seen the action involved in doing the bins.
I hope you got your elbows ready, Mom, because apparently you gotta like fight people.
Yeah.
So I will throw you with somebody. How about that?
Oh, there you go. I can be your human shield at the
Not a
bins.
human shield. I'm gonna pick you up.
I'll
if I
protect
see something
you from the bin people.
Let's say we see something a couple bins over. I can pick you up and throw you
to the
at
bin.
them to the bin, and you can just take out
Dive
anybody
in.
that you're.
So is it like bin diving you're doing?
So basically, what they do is they take all the stuff from Goodwill, right?
Right.
And all the stuff that doesn't sell, which our
Yikes.
Goodwills are pretty terrible. So I'm hoping that these are a little better. But you take all the stuff from Goodwill that doesn't sell well, and they drop it off at this outlet center. Well, this is the only outlet center in Maryland. So that's.
So it's the Goodwill bin leftovers.
Yes.
Outlet.
So what they do is they just literally wheel stuff out in these giant blue bins, and then you just sort through piles of trash.
This does not sound like a good morning.
No, is this going to be a good morning? I'm super excited about this. What if this is like our spot now? We come here like every day.
I doubt it.
Why?
I'm not holding out hope.
You're not holding out hope.
This is going to be our spot.
This could be our spot.
I don't think
This
so.
could be it. This could be how we grow our business from here on out. All right, let's go see. Sold by the pound, $1.69 a pound.
$1.69. That's incredibly weird.
What? What do you mean? It's incredibly weird. Quicksilver. Looks like a older t-shirt. It's double stitched, but
Yeah, it's really old.
it's not that bad.
Do you know how to keep her in action? Like a folio way?
It's harder to go through them too.
Why? Oh, no, they didn't. That's, you earned it.
It's like no, you can't flip.
Oh, I know. There's, you earned this.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice shirt, isn't it? All things are possible.
These are pants. A lot of pants.
Ooh, hold on. Mean Girls hoodie. It's embroidered. Look at that. Look, we found something.
Mean Girls.
Yeah,
That's what you want.
that's what we're getting. See, we don't even have to look it up because that's going to be less than a pound. So,
Oh, we put it in the bag. You're allowed to put it in the bag now?
well, yeah, I think so. We'll put it in the bag and we'll pick it up front. Look at us finding stuff already.
It's amazing.
This is going to be incredible. I'm telling you. You have a whole pile of stuff
Just
in front of
waiting.
you.
Huh?
What are you waiting for?
I've already been through this side.
Oh, look, you missed this Calvin Klein.
We don't sell designer stuff.
Yeah, but edit markets.
I didn't see anything.
What about this one? What is this one? It's a dinosaur one? What does it say?
Green, genuine antique person. Been there, done it. Can't remember. It's weird.
I think we should get it. I think we should get it. This will go well on Etsy. Somebody will buy that for somebody for Christmas or their birthday. My mom is most certainly not having any fun whatsoever. And, it's going to be what it's going to be. Let's go see if we can find a cart. That makes sense. Father,
Whoa.
you need to get more aggressive, Mom. That's crazy. Look at your face. Your face is so good. See, I wasn't joking about needing to throw you into the carts, Mom. Throw you into the carts. That could have been you. I could have just picked you up and thrown you into that.
No, they're just putting it all in their cart.
I know, and then they'll go through it and start putting stuff back. I don't know. Maybe they got here. I'm telling you, people get here at like 10 o'clock, and that's it. So. Wow.
There's nothing left in the bins.
Ooh. That's good.
Hey, how are you?
Here you go. It's a Ben Hogan.
What is it?
Ben Hogan golfing shirt, but it's a 3XL, which I think will be good.
Yes.
All right, let's go. Let's go take. I guess we will. We can go get in the leftovers for the bins. They were all gone in like 2 seconds. That is a bin faux pas.
What?
Bin faux pas having your phone go off.
Stay in the corner where it's safe.
I think we should stay until the next bins come out, Mom. That was fun. Now that we know.
That's it. They're all full up. See, they went in.
Well, now they'll start pulling the ones on the side, and then they're going to put them back in the other bins, and then somebody else is going to
I
come.
think we should have a time limit here.
Gives you the option, like when you do it, but it says depreciate this over 5 years or take the entire.
Which
Here, Mom.
I say
Are you ready?
I'm just waiting.
Okay, you ready? I just thought. Okay, well, here, I got it.
it's not up to
I need one. Ooh. $14 for a giant bag full of clothes that we never would have picked up otherwise. So let's get down to the nitty gritty, Mom. How was your first experience at the bins?
It's about what I expected it to be. It was okay.
Amazing.
Good
Oh.
to get in, good to get out. Time to get in, get out.
All right.
Saw it,
So you ready
came,
to come back
left.
tomorrow?
No.
What about the next day?
No. No, it's. I need things hung up on racks, nice and
Oh.
neat.
You just don't want to have to get dirty.
No, it wasn't dirty. It was just all discombobulated.
Well, yeah.
All in a big
And
pile.
not to mention the rush. The rush was fun.
The rush was fun.
Well, let's go home. We'll do some research on what we got, and we'll see if it was worth the half-hour drive and 10 minutes in the store.
We were in there more than 10 minutes.
It was like 17 minutes.
That was a long time.
I think that
We were in there a long time. Like hour,
no, see, I
maybe
think-
an hour. I don't know.
So I'll be honest, Mom. I think it was just, it felt like a long time. But we
It
do.
is good. I mean, it's, it is what it is.
It's an option.
It's one more. I think it's the last stand before the clothes go into a big whatever they do with when you can't give it away. You've given it away, and now you can't give it away in an outlet. Now what do you do with it? Be interesting to find out what
Yeah.
happens.
So let's see how
I
much.
think they sell it as big pounds of
Maybe.
clothing.
Probably.
So,
So, well, let's go back and we'll look through and see what we got. What do you think?
let's do it.
All right. All right. So we went to the bins with my mom. What does that look like? So, as you could see throughout the entire video, my mom's face was absolutely priceless. She hated every second of us being there. It was not her thing digging through bins. And you know what? To be honest, it's not mine either. It's not for everybody. However, after we got back, and you know, we talked a lot about on the ride home how we probably weren't going to make it a regular thing. You know, it's near a couple other thrift stores that are kind of a, you know, half hour, 45 minutes away. Maybe once a month we'll make a trip up there. But when we finished up tallying everything up, one of the shirts we bought, one of the polos, was trashed. It had a rip across the front, which we had to, which we just threw it away. But the other things we got, which I'm about to show you, are gonna blow your mind. So, first off, let's look at the stuff that wasn't a hit, right? So we got this Chaps Ralph Lauren. Again, I picked it up because we're at the bins, and it's like by the pound, it's $1.68 a pound. So really, why not? What is this? You know, a dollar or two, and you know, it's 100% cotton, zip up, and it's going for about $15. Not too much. Now, here's where we get into some of the good stuff. So we have this Washington Capitals hockey. We have this Washington Capitals hockey women's hoodie. It's going for about $40. Then we have this notorious RBG Ruth Bader Ginsburg hoodie. It's a 2XL, which is always a great size to find in any clothing, and it's going to go for about $40 to $50. Then we have this Mean Girls hoodie from the Broadway musical. It is very nice, embroidered stitch. It's like a cowl neck women's shirt, and this one, again, because it's Broadway and you can't really find these anywhere, this one's going for about $40. And then we have this Friends shirt, which is, you know what, Friends stuff, I just need to stop buying it. You know, they've done what a lot of companies have done, and they've just marketed it so much that there's so much of the stuff out there. It's not really worth picking up. Again, I wouldn't have grabbed it at a thrift store, but at the bins, and the fact that it weighs probably 6 ounces, you're talking 50 cents to 60 cents, and it's going to sell for a little over that at about $9 to $10. And then we have this Baltimore National Bohemian. If anybody's a fan of Natty Bo or Mr. Bo, or the Baltimore Ravens or any of those, you're gonna want to grab this. It's a 2XL. It looks like it's honestly never been worn. Super heavy hoodie, and it's going for about $40 to $50. And then the one thing my mom told me not to pick up was this kind of throw blanket, and you know, it says genuine antique on it. It's kind of like this, you know, it's like a gag gift that you get somebody. It says genuine antique person, been there, done that, can't remember. But it was made in 1993, it's vintage, and if you would believe it, it's selling for about $50. So if you add all that up, we spent a grand total of $14 because everything's by weight, and by spending $14, we're gonna make around $300. So it's not a bad thing. The bins are not a bad thing. Is it my cup of tea? No. Is it a place to source and possibly go if we have nowhere else to be, or if we want to make a trip to go hit the 3 thrift stores that are around it, or you know, 2 thrift stores in that one, so you could do like a trip for 3. It would only take like a couple hours. Yeah, so it's totally worth going to the bins. Don't listen to my mom's face. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Tune in next time. Hit that notification button, subscribe, and you'll be notified of videos that are upcoming. And plus, it really helps the channel, and it doesn't cost you anything at all. So we appreciate it. Look forward to you. See you soon.